Holy
my
crap.
goodness.
That dust is going to hit the people on the bridge first.
Holy crap.
How many do you think they set off?
I don't know how many they set off, but it was, whew.
Are we leaving? Or are we going to, like, breathe in all this crap that's coming over here?
I want to see what it looks like after the dust clears.
Oh, it's going to be a while.
Oh, it won't be that long.
The building, like, fell this way.
This is only a little building. Think of what happened at 9/11.
Yeah.